Imagine for a moment a universe where our sun isn't the familiar G-type star we've come to know and love, but rather an imposing, fierce B-type star. Ever pondered that possibility? If you have, then you're in for a fascinating journey. And if you haven't, well, prepare to have your mind expanded. B-type stars are truly the giants of the cosmos. They are larger, hotter, and more massive than our sun, boasting temperatures that can reach up to 25,000 degrees Kelvin. That's 4 times hotter than our sun. These stellar behemoths are also known for their intense blue hue, a result of their extreme heat. Now contrast this with our G-type sun. It's a relative dwarf by comparison, with a more modest temperature of about 5,500 degrees Kelvin. Its yellowish-white light is far less intense than the luminous blue radiance of a B-type star. But what if our sun were a B-type star? How would that alter our solar system's dynamics and conditions? Firstly, our sun's lifespan would be significantly shorter. B-type stars burn through their nuclear fuel at a rapid pace, living fast and dying young in astronomical terms. This more rapid progression through life stages would mean our sun would have transitioned to a red giant far sooner, potentially altering the orbits of inner planets or even causing their destruction. The increased luminosity of a B-type sun would also have notable implications for the habitability of planets within our solar system. Earth, for instance, might have been subject to higher temperatures, potentially affecting the development and sustainability of life as we know it. The intense radiation from a B-type star could even lead to the loss of vital atmospheric components, thereby impacting the composition and stability of our atmosphere. Moreover, the stronger solar wind from a B-type sun would exert a greater influence on the interaction between the solar wind and planetary magnetospheres. This could have serious implications for space weather, potentially affecting satellite operations and communication systems. So, to recap, if our sun were a B-type star, our solar system would be drastically different. The characteristics of B-type stars would have shaped a solar system with unique challenges and opportunities for the development of celestial bodies and potential life forms. The increased heat, luminosity, and solar wind intensity would have influenced planetary conditions and the potential for life as we know it. In the end, the universe is a place of infinite possibilities. And while our sun may not be a B-type star, pondering such a reality underscores the delicate balance that allows our solar system to be just as it is, a home for us, humanity.